Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Materials. Embroidery floss. Embroidery floss, such as Anchor, DMC, or J&P coats, is the most widely used thread for making bracelets. Craft thread. This is an economical version of embroidery thread. Pearl cotton. Pearl cotton is available in several different sizes. Yarn. Basic knots. Editors. Uploaded photos. See all 5.
Let's help you make your mark.
Embroidery floss. The most popular and commonly used string for making friendship bracelets is embroidery floss. A premium embroidery thread that is made with 100% cotton fibers, making it a craft favorite. Good choice for experts, beginners, and children. Very durable. Won't rip apart when knotted together. Great variety of colors. The 12th of January 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
6 ways to approach someone you want to be friends with. Highlight a similarity. Friendship is born at that moment when one person says to another, "What?" Ask them a question. Asking someone a question is another option. Pay them a compliment. Offer help. Use humor. Be upfront. What do you think is the best way to approach someone you want to be friends with? The 20th of April 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to make new friends. Go on a friend date. Most of us have at least heard of the blind date. The idea of letting a friend play matchmaker and set us up with someone we've never met. Be authentic. Get up close and personal. Be persistent. Set a goal. Say cheese. Don't take it personally. Think outside the box. The 3rd of August 2015.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How do you flatten curled friendship bracelets? One way to straighten friendship bracelets is to block them with water. Get your bracelet slightly wet, place it in between paper towels, and let it dry under a heavy book. You can also try ironing the bracelet using a clothing iron or a hair straightener. 1 February 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.